Hi, awesome people. Welcome to our Pets Academic channel. Today, I'm talking about the topic, why do guinea pigs make weird noises? If you are new to our Pets Academic channel, please subscribe. You can also like and comment on our videos so that we can get to know you better. Consider reading the full in-depth blog post I have written on this topic. You can find it by going to the link in the description. So, let's dive in. Guinea pigs are capable of making several types of noises that can be quite mysterious and seemingly out of place. These sounds are part of their communication repertoire and can indicate different behaviors and situations. From chirps to purrs, understanding the various noises your guinea pig makes is key to being able to provide them with a safe and comfortable environment. Why do guinea pigs make noises? Guinea pigs make noises due to several reasons, and they make different types of noises for different behaviors. Those are as follows. Happiness. Guinea pigs make noise when they are happy. They are purring and humming and chirping, which are really cute noises that they make to show their joy. Anxiety. When your guinea pig is anxious, it may make an alarming high-pitched squeal. They may growl or even thump their feet on the ground to convey their displeasure. Anger. If your guinea pig is angry, they might make an aggressive chattering noise, and also they may scream or grunt to convey their displeasure. This sound is a warning sign that they are feeling threatened or intimidated. Sickness. Guinea pigs may also make noises when they are sick or in pain. If your guinea pig is making strange noises and exhibiting other signs of illness, it's best to take them to the vet right away. They may wheeze, shriek, or squeal in distress. Fear. Guinea pigs may also make noise when they are scared or startled. If your guinea pig is making a sudden loud squeal or chirping noises, it's best to remove them from the situation and provide them with some comfort. In the full blog post I have written on my website, I have done hours of research and I have written much more details about the above topic and subtopics. The blog article is more than 1,000 words, and I dive into each of the above topics, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below and you can read all about my research on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let me know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out petsacademic.com.